I've got keys to the new place. I got it for like $150. So we're gonna have to get a new fridge. Carry this in a tram full of people. There's an Indian family there. The apartment is now spotless. I'm at Flinders Street Station. My train is coming in 4 minutes. I'm so sad that I've got my AirPods at home. I took them off yesterday and forgot to put it back in the case.
Mooney Ponds.
So I've got keys to the new place, and now I've just got to head back to the train station. There you are. Thank you. So as soon as I got on the train, there was a team of ticket inspectors, and they started checking tickets. Luckily, I tapped my card, but there's a bunch of people here that are getting in trouble now. It looks like we're gonna have to throw out a bunch of food, unfortunately, because we're gonna have to move the fridge tomorrow. Let's see. I think I've got 5 tubs of yogurt in there. So we've got the salted caramel. It's got 15 grams of protein. This is actually pretty good because I haven't hit my protein goal for today. So I've got 2 of those. And then I've got 2 of the blueberry yogurt from Paul's Plus. And then I've got 1 strawberry flavor as well.
One eternity later.
I just finished all 5 tubs of yogurt and I actually feel a little bit sick. So I think I need to go lie down. So it is move day today, and unfortunately it's raining, which the forecast actually said it wasn't supposed to rain today. Okay. I'm just trying to pile everything up close to the door, and luckily I'm actually on the ground floor, so it will be quite easy for the mover to get everything out. This thing is surprisingly heavy. Oh my God. Okay. That's very dusty. I've got to clean that a little bit, I think. So this is my dryer. I got it for like $150 or something. Maybe even $100 on Facebook Market about a year ago. All right, it is almost 11 a.m. now. I've got everything ready to go. The fridge has been taped up, all the shelves and stuff inside. It's all done. The mover that I hired, the Facebook Market guy, was supposed to be here about an hour ago, but he's still not here. So I'm gonna have to give him a quick call. I guess this is what happens when you hire people from Facebook Market. This washing machine I also got off Facebook Market as well. I don't remember how much we paid for it. All I know right now is that it's really heavy. Looks like they're finally here. Only 2 hours and 20 minutes late. The place looks so much more empty now that everything is gone. I probably won't be able to film as much at the new apartment just because we're gonna have to go up and down the lifts and everything. But I'll see you guys once we've moved everything into the new apartment. So just finished moving everything into the apartment. We've just got stuff everywhere at the moment, definitely not organized. Ended up costing $280 for the one mover and his truck, and I was basically having to help out the whole time. So this is Annie's first time seeing the place. Okay. Light switch is on the left side. This is first night at the new place. Just having some dinner now. Not much here yet. Good morning. It is day 2 of the move. I've just woken up and I can hear the bells, the ringing of the tram downstairs, and it feels amazing. It's just like the feeling that you get when you're living in the city, like hearing that bell, that ding 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 of the tram. Let me show you guys the view from the balcony. Look at that. Oh, that's amazing. I used to live in the city about a year ago, and being back here, just I miss it. So I was having some problems with the washer because I was trying to put it in this morning, and the power outlet that's inside the laundry, it wasn't working. But I called the real estate agent and they told me that I just needed to actually turn on one of these buttons here. Yeah, so I went ahead and turned it on and now it's working. So I'm just gonna put in the washer and the dryer now. I just realized I've got to plug this in. I haven't plugged it in yet. How am I going to plug it in? Okay. Okay, it reaches. We're okay. Ta-da! It works. All done with the laundry. So the dryer and the washer are both in there. Nice and, I wouldn't say easy, but it's done. So we've got a big issue with the fridge. It fits way too perfectly into this little nook, and there's only maybe like a 2 centimeter space on the right side where it opens. So we can only open the fridge to that much without damaging the wall or the fridge. So we're gonna have to get a new fridge, which is kind of unfortunate because we bought this one brand new just a year ago for like $800. And now we're gonna have to get something a bit smaller so that we can actually use it. I found one on Facebook Market for like $120, so we're gonna go pick that up now.
Oh, it's completely blank.
Yeah, you cannot, you can't see the blind spot. It's okay, at least you've got a newer car, so it's got the blind spotlights. All right, we have gotten the fridge, as you can see there in the back. It's a very, very tight fit. It's like if the fridge was even 5 centimeters taller, I don't think it would have fit. And we had to move the passenger seat, which is my seat, all the way forward, and then also lean the seat forward as well. So right now I'm like completely hunched over. My legs are up like this. I'm completely squished. But we've got the fridge, so I just have to stay like this for the next 30 minutes. I can't move my legs. Hopefully I don't get a cramp. It's quite small, as you can see, but at least it fits in the little fridge compartment, and we can actually open the door and use it properly. Right now, I'm gonna take some photos of the fridge, try to get rid of it, see how much we can get for it on Facebook Market, and hopefully I can find a table sometime soon, because I've got my chair over there, but no table, so I can't really study or do any work on my laptop. I have to literally sit on the couch, which is kind of annoying. I found this desk for $30. Well, it was $50, but I negotiated it down to $30, and they wanted me to come pick up right away. Unfortunately, Annie's at work, and so I can't use her car, but they needed it gone like right away for that price. So I said, okay, I'll just come get it now. But the desk is a little bit bigger than I wanted, but you know, for such a good price, I thought I'd just take it anyways. So now I'm gonna have to see if I can just take it on the tram with me to go home. It's about 1:30 right now, so not the busiest time for tram, so hopefully there's enough space for me to take that home with me right now. Hopefully it's not too packed, otherwise it's going to be a bit embarrassing to carry this in a tram full of people. I'm soaking in sweat right now. I think I had to walk about 300 meters after I got off the tram carrying this thing. Oh, and there's the table, just a tabletop there. I've still actually got to go back and grab the legs. All right, so we're back. I've got the legs and all the parts in the Ikea bag there. Just gonna head to the tram, take the same one home, and that's it. $30 for a table. Not bad. Just did a full day of cleaning. Well, not a full day, maybe a half day of cleaning. The apartment is now spotless. We're very tired and a little sad to leave this place. It has been great, except for the floods. And it's time to go. So we're at Ikea today, and we're lining up to get the food, but it's really busy. The line is so long. It's probably like 80 meters long. So I ate a bit too fast. I forgot to record, but here's the rest of the food.
How to live that.
Oh, this is the one I wanted. But it's too tall.
I don't think it'll fit in my car.
Oh, this one is also not bad as well. The Gersby.
And it's cheaper.
Yeah, $70. We found another option. It's much cheaper. It's $35. And we do like the finish a little bit more. It's like more brown than like black or white. Why is it so expensive? It's $950. That's too much. There was a kitchen island that we wanted to have a look at. And it's pretty nice. I think it would probably fit well in our apartment. I wanted to film it. There was unfortunately an Indian family there, so I didn't want to get their kids.
The race.
Yes, there's an Indian family there. I didn't want to get their kids in the shot, so we skipped that part.
We can go back to it now if you want.
It's pretty nice. So this one is a $550, and I think for being an IKEA member, you get 10% off. But I did see someone on Facebook Market selling it for about $250. So maybe we can get it from them. Guys, look at how cute that little stool is. This is the one we're gonna get here, this blue looking one. It's $79. Which one should we get? You like the design of that one? I feel like it's too big though. Okay, we'll get that one. All right, we're on our way to pick up our bookshelf. Hey, you can't just leave me. It's been about a month since I moved into the apartment now, and it's no longer a mess. I mean, it's usually a mess, but I've cleaned it up a little bit to show you guys what the apartment looks like. So walking through the front door, this is what you would see. It's quite a spacious apartment. We've got the couch, a lamp, a table on the side, which is still quite messy. And we've got an ottoman here, and then a bookshelf on this side. The Wi-Fi router is all the way over here just because I find that it gets better signal. All right, and then that's the balcony. It's the bedroom in there. That's just, of course, the TV. Coming around to this side, we've got the shoe cabinet, which is full, and a bunch of shoes here. We've got another bookshelf with all my mangas. And then this is my desk where I game and study. And this is the kitchen. So originally we didn't have the kitchen island, but we got one off Facebook Market for a very good price. It helps a lot because otherwise this is all the counter space that we have, and there's nowhere to eat. So it was either get a kitchen island or get a dining table, and we decided to go with the kitchen island. All right, that's the kitchen there. So this here is the toilet. It actually looks a lot more white than it does on video, but the lighting in here is not very good, so it looks quite yellow. But in real life, this is all white. That's the toilet. And we've got the laundry here as well. Unfortunately, there's no door on the shower, so it's just like an open space there. So sometimes we do get some water splashing out, which is a little bit annoying. And this is the bedroom. So we've got a cabinet in the corner there, a queen size bed with 2 side tables. And then that's the wardrobes. And that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.